The main and emergency stop switch 3LD portfolio supports a broad application spectrum. The main and emergency stop switch 3LD offers mounting versions for all installation situations and comes with worldwide certifications in 3, 4, 6, and 8-pole versions for all sizes. All versions support easy and flexible installation. 4-hole front mounting for degrees of protection of up to IP65. Central hole front mounting for easy mounting in the door. Or floor mounting with door coupling rotary operating mechanism. Also, distribution board installation is possible. This high flexibility entails major mounting advantages. The disconnector can be mounted in any surface position. And you can easily and uniformly supplement the devices by fourth contact, N or PE terminals, auxiliary switches, terminal covers, and labeling fields. In addition, auxiliary switches for all sizes and mounting versions are available. Full range operation protection. The 3LD is lockable against unauthorized operation. Yet the door coupling rotary operating mechanism is defeatable for severe cases of emergency. Broad portfolio, flexible installation options, easy mounting, and safe operating concept. That is the main and emergency stop switch 3LD.